What's going on, Femi Smile? So the other day I got this box from Medicali. It's quite heavy, 5,000 yen worth of manga. I got possibly the best manga you've ever read in your life, or you've probably not read, I don't know. So yeah man, I'm gonna open it up. So what do you think it is? What do you think is the best manga? Yeah, my daughter came in. Okay, let's open it. Shall we open it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it. Come on then. Can you pull this? Pull it. Oh, thank you. Can you? Alright. So loads of newspaper in there. Just take it out. Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, Daddy's books. So look what we've got here.
Daddy, look here. There's more.
So got copies of Real. You don't know about that? I'll tell you in a second. That is not the main one. Yeah, Daddy's book, but also
Daddy's book.
more the others. But yes, hold on. This is what we're looking for. Vagabond. Cool. So yeah, what I've got is the complete collection of Real and Vagabond. Okay, this is 37. It is the last one released, but it's not finished yet. The Real.
It's full.
Oh, you okay? You fell down.
Oh yeah.
Let's take everything out, okay? Okay.
Daddy, can I read it?
If you can, there's all them over there.
Oh. Daddy, look.
Don't throw it.
I threw it.
No. Cool. So my daughter came and decided to help me. I got the complete collection of Real and Vagabond. These are mine from before, book 1 and book 1. So I only had one of each, but I bought the complete collection. So I have a double, so another number 1, right? Okay, but good condition anyhow. If you don't know about Vagabond, Vagabond is by Takehiko Inoue, and this is about Musashi Miyamoto, one of the greatest swordsmen ever, and it's probably one of the greatest mangas ever. This, you need to check it out. 37 books in, took a break since 2015. For Inoue-san's health, but hopefully it'll continue as well. But I read the book about Musashi Miyamoto by Eiji Yoshikawa. That's one of my favorite books. Back when I was 18, I'm 36 now actually, and that was great. And so Musashi Miyamoto also wrote the Book of Five Rings as well, and Dodoka. Those are some really great books as well. Can't wait to get into this. I've only read this one, so I've got 36 more to read. Also by Takehiko Inoue is Real. Real is about, so you can take a look back at the picture, so wheelchair basketball. Yeah, I've read this first book as well, it's really good. So Takehiko Inoue really loves basketball. I love basketball. This is a basketball team I used to co-coach with in a junior high school where I used to work in Ibaraki, Japan. Takehiko Inoue also wrote Slam Dunk, and if you can see over here, I have the complete collection, and I got a poster, Slam Dunk poster. I really love Slam Dunk. Takehiko Inoue, check it out. I'm gonna get ready to read these. So what's your favorite manga? Yeah, comment below and let me know. Do you have read all the collection? I mean, if it's like Naruto or One Piece, you've got loads to read, right? Alright, peace, done. Okay, this manga is in pretty good condition. It's flicking through. These are a little bit brown. You look at the colour, maybe you can see. Yeah, that's about it. But otherwise, really good condition. Look at that, some of the colour as well. Really good artist.